Hello everyone, my name is Pino. In this video, we go through the following question, which is based on a number pattern and series. And the instruction reads that a steel pavilion at a sports ground comprises of a series of 12 steps, of which the first 3 are shown in the diagram below. Each step is 5 meter wide. Each step has a rise of 1 divided by 3 meters and has a tread of 2 divided by 3 meters as shown in the diagram. It is further given that the open side or the shaded part on each side of the pavilion must be covered with metal sheeting. So we calculated the area in meters square of metal sheeting needed to cover both open sides. We are given that this height is equal to 1 divided by 3 and that each step has a tread of 2 divided by 3. So even that one will have a tread of 2 divided by 3 and even that third one. So we expect all of them to have a tread of 2 divided by 3. And for the rise, the height there was equal to 1 over 3 and the rise is also equal to 1 over 3. So we have the original 1 over 3 and the rise of 1 over 3. Even on that third step, we have that 1 over 3 from the first step and that 1 over 3 from the second and the 1 over 3 from the third. So we have 3 1 over 3s. So they are 3. So this 1 over 3s are 3 for the third step. So we can just calculate that area individually and also come back and calculate that area and also calculate that area until we have all the 12 steps. Remember that we were told that the pavilion has a series of 12 steps, so we have to calculate 12 areas for each step on their sides. So we have area number 1 for the first step, which will be equals to the tread multiplied by the rise, and the tread for all of them is 2 over 3. So area 1, area 3, area 4, they all have a tread of 2 divided by 3. Originally, we defined that area is equals to length multiplied by breadth, but in our case, we have a unique situation where we will define our area as equals to the tread multiplied by the rise. So we have our tread, which will always be equals to 2 over 3 for all the steps, and the rise for the first one is just 1 over 3. And for area number 2 will be equals to the tread, which is 2 divided by 3 multiplied by the rise. So the rise will be 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So the 1 over 3s are 2. So instead of saying 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, we can just say 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 because the 1 over 3s are 2. And for area number 3, the tread is always 2 divided by 3 and the rise is 1 over 3 times 3. So the 1 over 3s are 3. We have that first one, the second and the third. So you can just multiply the 1 over 3 by 3 since the 1 over 3s are 3. So it seems as if like area number 4, even though we don't have the full picture, area number 4 will also be equals to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 4. And area number 5 we can guess that it will be equals to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 5. And area number 6 will be equals to 2 divided by 3 multiplied also by 1 over 3, and we multiply this by 6. And area 7 will be equals to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 7. And area number 8 will be equals to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied also by 8. And this will continue to area number 9, where we'll have the thread as 2 divided by 3, and the 1 over 3's will be 9. And for area number 10, we have 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 10, because we are guessing that there will be 10 1 over 3's. So let's evaluate the areas. So area number 1 will be equals to 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 will be equals to 2. And in the denominator, 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. Area number 2 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 will be equals to 4 in the numerator, and in the denominator 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. For area number 3, the 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 will be equals to 1, so we'll be left with the 2 divided by 3. And for area number 4, in the numerator, 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 will be equals to 8. And in the denominator, 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. Or you can just use your calculator. Area number 5 will be equals to 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. In the numerator and in the denominator, 3 by 3 is equals to 9. And area number 6 will be equals to the 6 multiplied by 1 over 3 will be equals to 2, and that 2 multiplied by 2 will be equals to 4. So we will have 4 divided by 3. And for area number 7, in the numerator, 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 7 will be equals to 14, and in the denominator, 3 by 3 is equals to 9. Area number 8, in the numerator, 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 16 divided by 3 by 3, which is 9. And area number 9 will be equals to 2, because the 3 multiplied by 3 in the denominator will cancel out with that 9. And area number 10 will be equals to 2 by 1 by 10, which is equals to 20 in the numerator. And 3 multiplied by 3 will be equals to 9 in the denominator. And we have to determine this up until the 12th area. So area number 11, 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 11. And area number 12, will be equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 12. And we have area number 11 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 11 will be 22 divided by the 9 in the denominator. Area number 12 will be equals to, we can use our calculator, and we get 8 divided by 3. So because we are looking for the sum of all the areas, let's add all the areas. So we have that area 1, area 2, area 3. So we will add all of these areas so that we can determine the total area of one side. So when we add these areas, we have 2 over 9 plus 4 over 9 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 8 divided by 9 plus 10 divided by 9 plus 4 divided by 3 plus 14 divided by 9 plus 16 divided by 9 plus 2 plus 20 divided by 9 plus 22 divided by 9 plus 8 divided by 3, and we add all of these areas, and when we add them, all of this will be equals to 52 divided by 3. And remember, the instruction was that we calculate for both sides. So we said that we calculate the area in meters square of metal sheeting needed to cover both open sides. We have that as the first open side, and the other open side is on the other side of the pavilion. So there are 2. So the sum of all of these areas, so we have 2 times the sum of the areas, so we'll have 52 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, and this will be equals to 52 multiplied by 2 is 104 divided by the 3, and our area will be equals to 1 over 4 divided by 3, which is equals to 34,666. So we can just write this as 34,667 unit square. So this will be our area, but I think we were given centimeters, or we were given meters. So we will have 34,667 meter square. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the channel if you find this content useful.